सितारे with Delnas, स्वाद और 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 सितारे with Delnas।
हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप सब? रेडी फॉर येट अनदर स्पाइसी तड़के भड़के वाला एपिसोड? आज एक्चुअली मेरा खुद का दिल धड़क रहा है, तेजी से धड़क रहा है भाई। आई एम एट दिस ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस कॉल्ड बफल। आज मैंने ना एक हल्का सा तड़का देने के लिए एक नहीं, दो नहीं, 3 मेहमानों को बुलाया है जो शायद एक दूसरे को जानते भी नहीं है। दोस्त तो छोड़िए, शायद वो अक्विंटेंसेस भी नहीं है। यस, सेम इंडस्ट्री के हैं, तीनों एक्टर्स है, मशहूर है, बहुत सारा काम किया है, लेकिन एक दूसरे को पहचानते हैं? I doubt. And that makes my episode so interesting. They are just going to arrive. I'm excited.
स्वाद और सितारे with Delnas।
तो दोस्तों, मेरे पहले गेस्ट आ चुके हैं। ये है none other than the very very talented Tanmay Vekaria.
Thank you, Delo. Thank you so much. Forward to be with you. Have
Yes.
fantastic, delicious lunch.
Please
together.
बोल दो, स्वाद और सितारे with.
Swad or Sitare with the great Delnaz Irani.
Thank you. Come now, sit.
Yeah.
Because this episode मेरे लिए भी काफी ऐसे दुख हो रहा है मुझे, क्योंकि ये
Why duk to you?
ये ऐसा होने वाला है कि तुम तो आ गए हो, तुम्हारे साथ 2 और मेहमान आने वाले हैं।
Do I know them? I mean, definitely.
I don't know. I
but
really don't know, because see, you all are from the same industry. That much I can tell you.
Okay.
So I don't know whether you all know each other or you all have met or you're meeting for the first. लेकिन अगर if you all are meeting for the first time, ये मैं credit लूंगी कि मैंने 3 strangers को दोस्त बना दिया।
बात है।
Oh my God! What is that?
That's the Georgia on the mind map.
Georgia?
On the mind. So
On the mind.
Orange juice.
What would you like to have?
Anything.
You have this if you want.
Yeah, chalega.
And
Something like, tangy kind.
you want this?
No, not angry. Yeah.
So this is that's made of kokum, pineapple juice, berry.
Oh, berries.
So what is
huh?
this called?
It's I love mix.
My love.
My love mix.
Mix.
And this is
This
Georgia
is
on the mind.
Georgia on the mind. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ami gayo.
Hey, all good.
You know each other.
नहीं याद नहीं हुई क्या मेरे से ना वो एजेस बैक सब टीवी का एक शो किया था हमने which didn't add रोहिताश जी थे इसमें मीरा रोड शूट करी तो if you remember हाँ in 2006
Leilani. I was the lead in that show.
yeah but then unfortunately it didn't work yeah worked out
How are you, my friend? I'm good. He's also a very dear friend.
I know.
Mehul Nissar is here, guys, and we worked in a show called कभी कभी इत्तेफाक से। और जैसे गाना जाता है ना, कभी कभी इत्तेफाक से कुछ लोग याद रह जाते हैं, कुछ भूल जाते हैं, ये उनमें से है जो याद रह गया, चिपक गया। देखो निकल ही नहीं रहे।
जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे।
So this is going to be like a Gujarati episode also, guys,
Yeah.
because these two are hardcore
vegetarians
hardcore vegetarians, really. And बोलजो गुजराती में बोलजो कहीं नहीं। Leave the middle seat for.
अजी कौन आवे?
Why are you looking there?
now again the same thing I know her I have worked with her but she must not be aware of that
Thank you so much.
What is
Ow.
my bestie? meet my bestie in the best episode.
Oh my God.
That's Moon Banerjee for all the audience out there. And मैंने कहा था ना, मेरा दिल धड़क रहा है क्योंकि ये मेरे लिए बहुत यूनिक एपिसोड है. तीन लोग. Do you know Tanmay?
Again, I'll tell you, we have done a show called Babul Ki Duaein Leti Ja. I was into a cameo out there in 2001 or 2000, I suppose.
2000
It's a production.
and 2001 के बीच.
Now he's
Three
the
female
star
story.
of Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma.
वो तो जैसी जिसकी सोच.
And that's of course
I
Mehul, you know. So, Veja.
What is that? Pineapple.
Pineapple, it has pineapple crush.
Wow.
Is it sugar?
This is amazing.
No added sugar in it.
Okay, great.
वाह, मुझे भी चाहिए ये सेम. हाँ, जो मेरी दोस्त रहेगी, जो मेरी बेस्टी बोलेगी वो मैं करूंगी. Cheers, 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 cheers. Come on, Tanmay.
Cheers, cheers,
Cheers, cheers, cheers. आराम से खाओ. The list is long. The food is too much. मैं एक चीज बताना चाह रही हूँ आप सबको. ये जो भी बैठे हैं ना, मेहुल, मेहमान नवाजी इनसे कोई सीखे. खिलाते मतलब शूट पे मेहुल एंटर करता था. मेरा रूम पहला था सेट पे. एंटर करता था, गुड मॉर्निंग, एंड हिज बास्केट वुड कम बिफोर हिम एंड ही वुड से, डेलू आए कहाँ, डेलू आए कहाँ, डेलू आज आए बना वेलो चीज. शीतल इज मेड दिस, शीतल इज वाइफ. दे आर बोथ the best hosts ever, and Percy always tells me, Moon, कि वेज मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता, लेकिन इनके घर का वेज जब मैं खाता हूँ, and he has a brand named Ghar Ka Khana. So if anybody is looking for Ghar Ka Khana, you know whom to contact. Mehul, you're the most fantastic cook for vegetarian, especially. Yeah, and oh my God, his Mehman Nawazi is something else. Moon is also a very, very, very good cook.
I bond with people instantly who cook and who talk about food and who love to eat.
And we have only one laksh, one there, food. And Moon and me enjoy. उसके घर पे भी डेलू ये खा ले, डेलू I'll just make fried rice in like 5 minutes. And actually fried rice 5 minutes में इसके घर पे बनते हैं. So Moon is a hands-on mother जो अपने काम के साथ साथ, बाहर के काम के साथ साथ अपने बच्चे को न्यूट्रिशियस खाना, मतलब she is very particular about what Rumi eats. Yeah, so she takes care of all of that, and I guess that's why her love for cooking is always there. But बच्चे को भी वो पसंद है. Now he is one child who will say, मम्मा आप कुछ बना के दो.
मम्मी चपाती देना एक.
He loves. वो बच्चे बोलते हैं ना कि बाहर से. Sometimes yes, but most of the time I've seen her, just make fridge में ये उठा के ये बना लिया,
And what do you cook well?
Nothing. I only eat.
She cooked up stories.
ये लोगों का दिमाग कुक करती है.
Wow, look at this. Okay. Mexican starter, हाँ? Oh, ये तो करंजी जैसा दिख रहा है. हाँ? गणपति में हम लोग करंजी बनाते वैसा दिख रहा है.
What are you saying?
हाँ, देखना.
Mexican karanji.
Okay. So what is the filling inside? हाँ?
Corn and cheese.
What is this made of? Maida?
The outer layer, atta.
And the outer layer is Mexican.
Nice.
Mexican empanada.
Very nice.
It's nice.
अरे बाप रे. इतना खावा है भाई. I think we'll have to avoid main course then यार.
नहीं,
Food coma today.
Yeah.
ये नहीं. अफगानी चाप. ये फूड को डिस्क्राइब करते हुए मेहुल गुजराती में एक कुछ 4-5 लाइन बोलेगा.
मेरी गुजराती इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, हिंदी में बोल देता.
नहीं.
आई विल फंबल इन गुजराती.
It's in Gujarati.
You
कैसे गुजराती में बात कर?
एक गुजराती में बोलते, तू भी गुजराती में बोलते, અને આપણી મૂન ગુજરાતીમાં નહીં બોલશે, બેંગોલીમાં બોલશે.
હું ગુજરાતીમાં બોલું શકે.
ये मराठी गुजराती बंगाली का मिक्सचर था.
Well, we are actually dying to hear your Gujarati, as Delna said.
I love the food over here. It's really very nice. Variety of food and
નો ગુજરાતીમાં ને કર નહીં તો કઈ ગિફ્ટમાં આપો.
it's भी है.
बेटा मन में लड्डू फूटा
હવે તો ગુજરાતી બોલ.
આ જે પર્પલ કલરના લોટના રોટલીમાં બ્રોકોલી અને ચીઝ હતું જેને લોકો ડિમસમ કહે એના ઉપર એક પોમોગ્રેનેટનો પીસ હતું. આ જો અહીંયા છે એ જ્યારે પોપ થાય મોઢામાં ઓફ શું મજા આવી જાય. Oh, that good.
Wow, it was lovely. It was lovely. And you're just doing natak. કેટલું મજાનું બોલ્યો યાર.
Really can't fluently speak Gujarati.
Come on, Bangalan. I'm progressing.
ચાલ તું બોલ.
તો આજે જે બી સ્ટાર્ટર્સ અહીંયા અમે લોકોએ ખાધું એ બધા સ્ટાર્ટર્સમાં મને what was that? The one that you said in
કરંજી type.
Karanji type sort of. Empanadas ને ગુજરાતીમાં જે બી કહેવાતું હોય જે બી નાડા કહેવાતા હોય તો
Not this nada.
this nada but Gujjus definitely know which nada. So ઈ empanada મને બહુ ભાવ્યું અને it is બહુ મજા આવે છે. ઇનફેક્ટ forget about ખાવાનું. The company is very nice અને ડેલનાસ સાથે as I said મજા જ આવે. તો આઈ થિંક હું ઘણું બધું ગુજરાતી બિંગ ગુજરાતી બોલી ગયો. મને ખબર તમને લોકોને સાંભળવાની બહુ મજા આવે છે પણ આઈ થિંક ધીસ ઇઝ ઇટ ફોર ધ
It's already so good, yeah. Keep talking.
કોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટિંગ ધ ડિશेस आई थिंक એટલું ઇનફ છે કારણ કે બધું આમ જ બોલી છે પછી હું
Yeah,
ખાવા
actually खाना बहुत अच्छा है. वेज है लेकिन
પારસી ગુજરાતી પારસી
ગુજરાતી
ચાલશે પણ અમને એ સોજુ પારસીમાં સાંભળવાની ઘણી મજા આવે.
With that હલકું accent આવવું જોઈએ.
ગનુજ સજ્જુ ભોનું હતું. ગનુજ સજ્જુ ભોનું છે એકચ્યુઅલી. અને ડ્રિંક્સ ઘણા જ મજાના હતા.
ઘણા જ ઠંડા હતા.
ઘણા જ સૂપ ઘણો જ ગરમ હતો ને ઓલ ધ સ્ટાર્ટર્સ were mind blowing, really good. अब मेरी बंगाल मीटिंग
और खाना भीषण सुंदर है.
कुछ भी
चलो भाई देखो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ.
আজকের এই অনুষ্ঠানটা খুবই ইন্টারেস্টিং. এই দুটো ভদ্রলোকের সঙ্গে লাঞ্চ করছি. ভদ্র মহিলা আমার খুব বিশেষ বন্ধু আর খাবার হলো দুর্দান্ত. We are just getting started.
वाह लाइए भाई वो
मदर टंग में बोलो तो मैं कच्ची में बोलूंगा.
હા તેને કચ્છમાં બોલવા દે ને.
कच्ची में बोल चल.
હા મને એ તું કેમ ગુજરાતી એટલું ઇન્સિસ્ટ
Exactly, I don't know why I was being insisted on speaking in Gujarati.
ચો કચ્છીમાં ચો આકે અચે તો
अपन दिलीप भाई को नारी ने
आके तो अच्छे तो
बोल
मैंने कच्ची में बता
अरे
दिया
मेरा
यार.
कच्ची वाला होने तो बाद में ये अच्छा है हम पर मेरी नजर इसमें है.
बहुत सारे हैम्पर्स अच्छे हैं.
हाँ.
ये मैं पकड़ के ऐसे बैठ जाऊं अभी. रुक जा एक
Wait
मिनट.
2 minutes.
रुक जा.
okay.
This is curated by Niharika. It's by Meraki by Niharika. So Moon, this is for you.
Great.
Thank you for coming on my show. Thank you. Swad और सितारे with Delnaz. Enjoy this and
આને કચ્છીમાં પેલા બોલી લેવા દે. વિચારો યાર એને રેડી કરી નાખ્યું છે.
नहीं ये अभी गई गुजराती में.
આવી
चलो बोलो कच्ची में बोलो तभी
હા.
मिलेगा.
આને તો છે જ.
ખાને કે બારે બોલતા હું પહેલે કચ્છી में. તો ખાધે જો બહુ સારો હો અને એસી મળે દોસ્તાર હતે મળ્યા આવ્યું થોડો કે હું કચ્છ ટાઈમથી જાણા તો થોડે કે હેવર જ પહેલી વખત મળ્યો અહીંયા અને જો કો સ્ટાર્ટર્સ हुआ असी હેવર સુધી સ્ટાર્ટર્સ ખાધા આવ્યું અને ડ્રિંક્સ પીધા આવ્યું નોન આલ્કોહોલિક તો હું મળે ફ્યુઝનવાળા हुआ ખાધે जा ઇન્ગ્રીડિયન્ટ્સ હું જઈ બટ અલગ અલગ તરીકેથી ઇન્ક્લુડ કરીને હમજી નવી ડિશ બની है તો બહુ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટિંગ મળે ચીજું અહીં एंड अचलू खपरा दे करो खाते અને આની કોઈ કી સમજ में नहीं આવ્યું.
હા એ મકે તો આવ સમજ્યો
समझे
હા સમજ્યા.
All right, Mehul Nisar, you can have this basket. Meraki by Niharika has curated this for you.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Enjoy it and thank you for being on the show. Lots of love to all of you. And this is for
Rushti will be like,
Daddy. Wow. Tanmay,
thank you, Delu.
enjoy it.
Thank you so much.
I'm sure the kids are going to love the chocolates and everything.
Yeah. They are going
Yeah.
to like.
You have 2 kids.
Yeah, I have a daughter and a son. Daughter is 2. I mean, big now. She's 19, and son is Zishan kitla ho raha? 14.
तो डेली ने क्या पूछे थे?
Yeah, really. Because when Zishan came na, she and her mother had been at my place.
We went
With
to
the
his
Baba
house
suit.
to
Yeah.
gift him
Yeah, yeah.
stuff. So the girl was 2 years. Rushti was 2 years when.
Kumar happened.
So वो कुआरों में मैं जो क्लिप्स विप्स पहनती थी ना, तो वो प्ले खत्म होने के बाद पूरा वो लेके गई थी.
हाँ.
लेला करती मैंने
हाँ.
आपको.
That is so
Please,
nice.
ये
Thank
लो.
you so much. Thank you.
Coming.
Eh?
Yamreta. What is this?
It's made from the yam plant.
Yam.
Suran.
Yam.
Suran.
तो आपने याम को और रीटा को मिला दिया?
Yamrita.
बेटा कौन सा जगह? Yam plant.
Tasty.
I know lotus stem है.
This is Indian. Yeah.
This is Suran, right? Suran ka bhajia, you can say it in a way. Yeah.
आ जाओ भाई, सूरन ना भजिया नहीं देखो ये रीटा नहीं सुन सकते हो.
Yam Rita.
बट विच इज द ग्रेट थिंग कि हम सिंपल सूरन को इतना फैंसी कर देते हैं, उसको याम रीटा बुलाते हैं.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर.
भाई का नाम हुआ करता था लैम्ब्रेटा.
Elaborata.
विच इज वेरी नाइस शेफ, बहुत स्वाद वाला है.
ये क्या है भाई?
Asparagus tempura.
मामा.
Sushi.
Thank you. No.
Was by courier.
I'm just going to.
Asparagus tempura.
How's it? Nice.
Mind blowing. Wrapped it.
But that's simply
Asparagus.
Tempura sushi.
Tempura sushi.
Tempura.
Tempura.
देखिए, जिसको चॉपस्टिक्स यूज करने नहीं आता है ना, वो ऐसे हाथ में लेना चाहिए, अंदर ऐसे डिप करिए और बिना शर्म के खाइए.
बिल्कुल.
तोबा तोबा तोबा, थारा मूड खराब कर दिया.
तो हाँ जी. तो खाना ही ला दिया उससे.
चलिए लीजिए.
This jasmine rice, right?
Blue tea.
Blue. Yeah.
Jasmine rice.
Blue tea.
Blue tea. Yeah. Nice.
What a color combination. Beautiful. Blue and green.
It matches with my dress. Wow. Nice. Very strong basil flavor. And I love that coconut.
Coconut. One of my favorites.
Coconut.
Coconut milk add करें ना.
Coconut milk, no?
The base is coconut milk.
एकदम तो.
Stuffed already.
Thank you.
I need to perform.
Right?
Nice.
Zabarasti.
Burrata pizza. Burrata pizza.
Burrata pizza.
Yes.
Simple नहीं बस.
उनको ऊपर वो तो मस्त है.
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
कर गई.
हाँ अब सही मजा आएगा.
अब मजा आएगा.
Taste the.
हाँ
Wow. Veg can be so tasty, guys.
चल झूठा.
This is no.
Taste the parmesan.
Okay, I'll take little. Very little.
See, more or less, any cuisine, the ingredients are same. It's just modified.
Yeah. But did you realize when we were like kids? We were kids.
हाँ.
कितनी choice limited थी.
Yes.
Even when we used to go out, you know, parents would take us Indian कहाँ बस एक पनीर हो गया, एक तंदूरी चिकन हो गई, एक कुछ Chinese अच्छा कहाँ जाना है? सेफेस्ट चाइनीज.
No edamame sticky rice.
Oh.
बस. Wow, this is so different. बस.
This place is good, huh?
Bustle 100 on 100. Guys, super, really superb.
Amazing.
And I have not seen Mehul eat so much. Seriously, guys, I have not seen Mehul eat. I have not seen Mehul eat at all. I think दोपहर को खाता है, रात को पीता है.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं. My appetite is also very less. But one thing I really have to compliment you guys is इतने dishes हमने खाए but seldom हुआ कि आपके flavors repeat हुए हैं. There's very distinct flavor in whatever you all have got. We've eaten about 8 to 10 dishes till now or maybe more. Hardly कुछ कहीं पे repeat हुआ है. So that's a very good compliment to the restaurant.
Yeah.
Also, the last course is left. This is a dessert, and we have a small rule over here: no desserts, then no exit.
आइए.
So you should try.
तो आप
हम रह जाएंगे. Don't worry. एक और खाएंगे.
देखो ये तो वो 70s के विलन की तरह बात है. आएगा तो जाएगा.
I love mangoes.
I like grapes. I like pineapple. I like grapes. I like oranges.
You're not a fruit person, anyways.
No mangoes, no bananas, no chickus.
No mango.
How can someone not like mango, na?
मैंगो की एक कहानी है मेरे साथ. मैं जब छोटी थी तो ऑल थोड़े हो गए थे मैंगोज. हाँ. एंड उस जमाने में आई गेस मॉम वुड जस्ट क्लीन इट विद डेटॉल एंड यू नो वो पूरा. So as a child I've got the most ugliest memories of mangoes. तो फिर वो
छूट गया. और ये तो मैंगोज का अभी भी even in this age, the first batch of mango when you eat, you obviously will get boils.
So
if
when
not
I
on
have
face,
also.
but somewhere.
when I have any mango drink, I Mazza or fruity or whatever, I add water. मतलब half like 2 sips of that and dilute it. Like how Mehul has rum and coke.
ये एपिसोड में जाने वाला है.
हाँ, of course जाएगा यार. This is another gift for you
So
guys.
many gifts. Wow.
Okay, and don't think that this is called a Kumkumadi facial kit. So even men can use it. It's specially made for both men.
Not that.
हाथों में पूजा की थाली आई रात सुहागों वाली मांग
Start from like from here and then.
Okay, Kumkumadi is an oil made with 27 different kinds of herbs.
Okay.
And it's all natural. It's, you know, without any chemicals. This is by We Herbal Honest Ayurveda. It's a Kumkumadi facial kit for you, Tanmay.
Thank you so much.
This is for you, Moon.
Thank you.
And this is for you, Mehul. Thank you for coming on the show.
Rich mango cheesecake.
Oh, I can't have this. Rich mango cheesecake.
Yeah, parcel कर दो.
ऊपर से थोड़ा ऊपर से
Short ले लो बस.
थोड़ा ऐसे टप टप गिरने दो उसको.
ये देखो.
Oh,
ये क्या फ्यूजन रबड़ी.
ये क्या है क्या?
Excuse me.
अरे वो खोल ये किया ना रखा. ये किया ना. ये ग्रुप ऑफ ने
खोलो.
डेलो ग्लास नहीं था वो.
I should say.
I am fusion.
Reem ni chokra.
This is, you can't miss this, babe.
Nothing on it.
Oh, mango you can't have.
Mango and sweet. Nice. So what is this? ये क्या है? हाँ?
Rasmalai.
ये नहीं. This is rasmalai. This
Cheesecake.
is paneer. This is cheesecake.
Funny.
I don't.
Very nice.
This
Nice.
is
This is nice.
आते जाते
आते जाते खूबसूरत
आवारा गलियों में सड़कों पे
कभी कभी इत्तेफाक से अनजान लोग कितने अनजान लोग मिल जाते हैं उनमें से कुछ लोग भूल जाते हैं,
कुछ
कुछ
याद
याद रह जाते हैं,
तो वो होते हैं कभी कभी इत्तेफाक से।
कभी कभी इत्तेफाक से। लेकिन हम यहाँ एंड करते हैं ये
और यहाँ
एपिसोड।
गजल में ये खास बताया गया, आप भी सुन लीजिए कि यहाँ आते इंसान अपनी मर्जी से है, जाते इनका डेजर्ट खाने के बाद है, मतलब वो जाने नहीं देते। तो या लेट्स स्टार्ट द डिस्कशन।
Okay, so like, share and subscribe to Swad और सितारे with Delnaz. Thank you Mehul, thank you my darling Moon, and thank you Tanmay for gracing this episode. I really loved it. Thank you.
स्वाद एंड सितारे बाय डेलनाज ईरानी।
Thank you, thank you, thank you. इस हफ्ते का स्वाद ठीक से चखा क्या कॉन्टेस्ट का क्वेश्चन।
Which was a serial Tanmay and Moon worked together. तन्मय और मोन ने कौन से शो में साथ में काम किया था? दूसरा सवाल, What is मेहुल्स मदर टंग? मेहुल की मदर टंग कौन सी है?
जल्दी अपने जवाब इस ईमेल आईडी पे भेजिए एंड बी ऑन द शो नेक्स्ट सीजन विथ मी स्वाद और सितारे विद डेलनाज।
Oh shit. So, we just started dating. Yeah. I didn't introduce you. अभी शादी मांगता है ना, खाना आ गया है, वैसे शादी। Cheers कर। Cheers. सना और कौन?